got a mule, her name is Sal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. She's a good old worker, a good old pal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. We've hauled some barges in our day, filled with lumber, coal, and hay. And we know every inch of the way from Albany to Buffalo. Low bridge, everybody down. Low bridge, 'cause we're coming to a town. You can always tell your neighbor, always tell your pal, if you've ever navigated on the Erie Canal. We better get along on our way, old gal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal, 'cause you bet your life I'd never part with Sal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. Get up there, mule, here comes a lock, and we'll make Rome by 6 o'clock. Just one more trip, back we'll